Hi, I'm Charity Linda. I'm from Kenosha, Wisconsin, and I'm here to review the LadyBoss Labs Lean Protein. It is so good. It's silky, silky smooth, and when you blend it with just water, it's not chunky and it's not chalky. It's delicious. It tastes just like cake batter. Let them eat cake! It's so good. What I love the most is when I'm done with my cup and I forget to clean it, as I always do. It doesn't smell disgusting when I go to clean it. A lot of the protein powders I've used in the past have had a really gross smell after letting it sit for just even an hour. I have not had this after leaving it in the car for a day. I brought it back inside to clean it. It smelled just like I had just mixed it. Awesome. I also really love the LadyBoss REST. I've had a lot of restful nights in the past week using this, and I'm very thankful for it. Mwah, I love it. And the LadyBoss BURN, I've been using this daily, and I have recently broke through a 4-month plateau. I have been stuck at 141, 142 pounds, and this morning I weighed myself at 139 pounds, so I'm pretty excited about breaking through a plateau, and LadyBoss Labs products are the only thing that I have really changed in the last 2 weeks, so that might be something. Also, I love the watermelon candy. It is so good. It's not too sweet. It is still sweet, but it's not too sweet. And altogether, I love all of these things very much. I just really love the lean. So good. Not smelly after sitting around for a while, so grateful for that. And delicious. So go eat your cake. Let them eat cake.